We have a high resolution raster image in ArcGIS Pro. In this tutorial we will see how can we clip the raster to our study area. First let's define a study area. Go to catalog and let's create a new shapefile. Feature class name, let's name it study area, and geometry type should be polygon, and coordinate system, we should match the coordinate system to our image. Let's click on this and run. The polygon is created here. Now let's click on this and go to edit and create. Click on this study area and let's make a study area polygon. When you are done, just right click and click finish. So our polygon is ready. Let's change the symbol of it to something like this so that we can see inside, and apply. Let's clear the selection. This is the area we want to clip. Let's click this OK button and also save. Yes. Back. Click on geoprocessing and toolbox. Go to data management tools, expand, and then raster and raster processing. Click on this Clip Raster. Now in the input raster drop down we need to select our image, and from the output extent we need to select our study area, and then the extent will be loaded. And output raster, if you want to save to any location you can select the location, but we will go for the default one. Now if we check on this option, it will clip to our shape, and if we do not check on this, it will create a bounding box of our polygon and then cut to that extent. So outside of our polygon area will be included. If we check on this, the outside area of our polygon will be used as no data, and here a default no data value is 256. Now let's run this. Let's close the geoprocessing tool. Now if we turn off our main image, you can see that the image has been clipped to our study area. Thanks for watching.